So this is what we will be able to create at the end of this tutorial.
Italian Brainrot quiz, let's go. Who is this? Tung 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 sahur. Can you name this one?
Now we're in CapCut. Let's create a new project. And then here we need to drag and drop all our assets. So I have already created all my assets and collected it and put it in a folder. So I'll just put it on the assets panel. So here are the all assets that I need. And also let's drag and drop the main background video for this. So this is a Subway Surfer gameplay that I recorded myself. So here I have already added like the blur effect. I will just add a little bit more blur effect. So let's search blur and then just drag and drop it here. It's done. Now we need to make the intro. So for this we should go back to my assets, and then I have this video already created for the intro. So this is just the images of the characters put together and turn it into video. So it's very easy to create. So if you want to know how is it created, then just write down in the comments. I'll just add a mask to rectangle, add the rounded corners. That's done. Maybe I'll put the the image size to almost like 130. That looks good. Now we need to put some sound effects. So for this we will add a camera stutter effect. So stutter, and we will use this stutter sound, which is like 8 burst. Okay, just drag and drop it there. Let's trim the beginning and the end part of the effect, and then again Command C, Command V. I'll just duplicate it to make it a little longer till the intro video. So this is it. So let's see how it looks like. So now we will just lower the volume of this audio, so maybe like 8.4. okay, you can just adjust as much as you want. So I'll just put it like that. Now what we need to do is add our text. So for this, let's go to text, default text, and then for this we'll write something like Italian Brainrot quiz. And then for the font I will use something called Alpha Slav 1. So you can use any other fonts, it just depends on what kind of look you want to give. So I'll just add this one, maybe put it here. I'll just drag and drop this text until the intro, so it looks like this. Maybe I'll put a little bit up. That's it. Now we need to add the voiceover. So let's head on to 11 labs, and then we'll go to text to speech. Then let's write something like Italian Brainrot quiz, and then let's go something like that. We'll choose Adam, and then we'll just generate speech.
Italian Brainrot quiz, let's go.
Okay, that's it. Just download it, and then we will just drag and drop it to our project as well. Here, let me just put it, and then I'll just drag and drop it here. Okay, so now let's drag and drop it to the timeline. So yeah,
Italian Brainrot quiz, let's go. Italian Brainrot quiz, let's go.
so that's already looking good. Now we need to add images. So for this, let's go to our project assets, go to images, and maybe we'll add something. Maybe add tung 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 sahur. Okay, we put it here, and then we'll just adjust some of its settings. So we'll put it something like 60, the image size, and then also we will add a mask for that rounded rectangle and rounded corner look. Yeah, something like this. You can adjust as much as you want. I guess the image is a little bigger, so like maybe I'll put it to something like 50. Yeah, it sounds good. It looks good. Now also we need to duplicate the text. So Command C, Command V, then here. So for this one we will put this somewhere on the top. Not the same, it's a different position. So if you are having problem on the positions, then just use something called safe zone. So we'll just add this safe zone. This is a TikTok safe zone, but it will work as well. So just put the text and all the things just within this template. So now we will just see this goes there, and then the image, it will go somewhere like here. Turn off this layer. Now we will add another text. So just Command C, Command V, duplicate this, and then for this we will write the numbers. Just write how much you want to write. So I'll just add like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, you can add as much as you want. Then we'll just drag it a little bit down here, and that's fine.
Brainrot quiz, let's go.
So for this one, now we need to ask the viewers the questions, right? So let's go to 11 Labs again, and then let's generate a voiceover. So like maybe, who is this? And then just generate.
Who is this?
Download and then just drag and drop it to your project. Finder, I guess this is the one here. And then let's put it to the timeline.
Let's go. Who is this?
Now, wait, let me just put a little bit more numbers. So I'll add up to 7. It looks more fuller. Now we get up to this. Now we also need the timer overlay. So for this one, I will just drag and drop the timer overlay that I have already downloaded from YouTube. So if you want these timer overlays and other stuff, just write down in the comments and I will put it on the description. So here, let's go and find timer. Here is the quiz timer. Now we can drag and drop it to the timeline as well. So here it goes. So we'll just start the timer after the voiceover. So who is this? And then the timer starts. So now here's the timer, and we need to remove the background. Just use chroma key, color picker, and then just select the color, and for the intensity just put it so make it somewhere like 6 or 7 so that you can still see the green color of the timer, and then just drag and drop, drag it a little bit down, and that's it.
Yes.
So for this, I'll also like adjust the timer a little bit. So like here the sound starts from here, so I'll just edit here. Right answer notification, I don't like it, so I'll just add another sound. So this is a ting sound that I have downloaded from, I guess, Pixabay or something. So I'll just put it here. So here's the ting sound. So just align it to somewhere like here, and then here's the ting sound. So it goes like, okay. Now just put the audio of the character. I have already created a lot of audio, so I'll just use it. If you want it, just write down in the comments as well. I'll put it in the description. So this is tung 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 sahur. Just drag and drop it here on the timeline, and then just put it somewhere here. So you just put it somewhere in between the ting sound.
Tung 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 sahur.
That's it. I don't want to use a longer sound, so just delete the unnecessary parts. And then this is just the first part, and then also you need to add another text which will be for the names. So like just Ctrl+C Ctrl+V any one of the names, and then the name will start from the ting sound. When the ting sound rings and the name starts. Maybe I'll put it from here. So this is tung 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 sahur. Tung tung sahur. Okay, maybe decrease the size, so maybe like 10, and then I'll just put it here, maybe like 11. Okay, and just adjust it like as much as you want. So now we have got this. Let's see.
Italian Brainrot quiz, let's go. Who is this? Tung 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 sahur.
So it seems a little bit off, so like maybe I'll put it a little here, and then like maybe 12. Yeah, that's fine.
Tung 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 sahur.
Now you just need to add other images, so it's the same process. So if you want a variety of audios like the scripts, then you just use another one. Like let's go to 11 Labs and say like can you name this one? Okay, and then generate.
Can you name this one?
And then just drag and drop it to the CapCut project as well. And then again, after the audio of the actual Brainrot character, just add it.
Sahur. Can you name this one?
Now you need to add another image. So for this one, just duplicate the first image, so it will be easier that you don't need to mask it again and again. Now just go to your images. Maybe I'll add Simpanzini Bananini. Okay, we replace the clip.
Can you name this one?
Now we just need to repeat the same process. So for that, just go to the timer, Ctrl+C Ctrl+V, and then again you put it after the voiceover. So here, and then the timer goes here. Let's make the text longer. And then we just need to duplicate the ting sound. Command+C, Command+V, and then just duplicate it. And after the timer stops, just put the ting sound there. Now add the audio for the animal. This is Simpanzini Bananini, so let me find it, and I'll put it somewhere here. Here. Okay.
Scimpanzini bananini. Wah wah wah.
This is basically how you create this. Just add more options and then duplicate all the things. For this again we need to write the name, so Ctrl+C Ctrl+V. Just the start will be from the ting sound. So here's the ting sound, and then we will write the name of the character here. So for this, it's Simpanzini Pananini. Done. Then we'll just remove the excess part, then maybe drag it a little bit down to number 2. So this is what we have now.
Tung 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 sahur. Can you name this one? Shimpa.
Now for a more variety, you can use transitions. I highly recommend it. So for transition, I'll use this transition called cloud. Just add in between the images. Cloud. And then you can add another sound effect, which is swish sound effect. So go to audio, sound effects, and then swish. This is the sound, and then you can put it here.
Go. Who is this? Go. Who is this?
Just adjust it.
Let's go. Who is this?
It looks good already. And adjust it again.
Can you name this one?
So this is how you do it, and just repeat the process until you have all the characters, and yeah, that's it. So if you have any questions, just write it in the comments. I'll try to reply you all, and also I will create a Discord channel so you can join and ask me questions directly. If you have any problems on creating these videos, then I'll help you there. So that was it for today. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe it if you found this helpful, and take care.